Haryana Staff Selection Commission exam is conducted by Haryana Government for recruitment on various posts like Constable, Sub-Inspector, etc. Today, we will talk about HSSC exam for government jobs. Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the HSSC exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria for HSSC exam. The nationality of the candidate must be Indian. Candidates must have passed class 12 or any other equivalent exam with minimum 50% marks. For SCs or ST candidates, minimum qualifying marks in higher secondary school are 45%. The age limit needed for HSSC is 17 to 42 years. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.